In today's healthcare landscape, innovation moves fast, but when lives are on the line, every second and every device matters. Among the most impactful innovations are multi-user wearables, compact, tech-powered tools that support patient care during crises. But while they bring speed and scalability, they also introduce complex questions about hygiene, data, and environmental responsibility. This presentation explores how we can balance their utility, safety, and end-of-life impact. Multi-user wearables are designed to be shared across patients or personnel, either sequentially or in rotation. From smart wristbands that track vitals to biometric patches monitoring real-time data, these devices have become essential in field hospitals, elder care centers, and during natural disasters or pandemics. Their shared-use nature makes them a cost-effective alternative to disposable tech, especially when resources are stretched thin. In emergency settings, wearables enable faster decisions and less dependency on direct person-to-person supervision. Picture a triage zone after a hurricane or earthquake. Patients are wearing devices that constantly send health updates to nurses, freeing up hands while increasing coverage. They are also vital in disease surveillance, remote monitoring, and in helping underserved populations receive consistent care without infrastructure overload. But this efficiency has trade-offs. When multiple users share a single device, hygiene becomes a pressing concern. Even with surface cleaning, pathogens can linger in crevices, especially around sensors, ports, or battery compartments. In infectious disease outbreaks, improper sanitation could result in dangerous cross-contamination, and not all wearables are designed to withstand frequent or aggressive disinfection procedures, which may lead to faster wear and tear or reduced functionality. Privacy is another crucial issue. Wearables collect biometric data, location information, and personal timestamps. Without secure mechanisms to wipe or reset devices between users, sensitive information may be exposed. In tightly controlled clinical settings, companion apps can manage user profiles and clear memory. But in chaotic or remote situations, such as refugee camps or pop-up clinics, this becomes much harder to manage, risking serious breaches of confidentiality. Eventually, all technology fails, and when multi-user wearables reach the end of their useful life, they contribute to the ever-growing issue of e-waste. Many are built for durability, waterproof, tamper-resistant, or sealed for hygiene, which ironically makes them difficult to recycle. Integrated batteries, glued components, and specialized materials pose real obstacles to disassembly and material recovery. Without proper recycling systems, large-scale disposal can overwhelm waste infrastructure and damage ecosystems. The solution starts at the design table. Manufacturers should prioritize modularity, snap-off components, replaceable batteries, and recyclable casings. Devices should come with clear labels that inform healthcare workers and waste handlers about proper disposal. Just as medication bottles include safety and disposal instructions, so too should wearable health tech. Institutions using multi-user wearables must go beyond daily usage. Planning includes inventory tracking systems, sanitation logs, and clear end-of-life strategies. Hospitals and clinics should have designated collection points for decommissioned devices, along with procedures for evaluating reuse or recycling options. Preparedness plans must treat these wearables like any other medical supply, monitored, rotated, and responsibly retired. This is where licensed recyclers play a vital role. These specialists understand how to handle sensitive tech with both sanitation and data privacy in mind. They possess the tools and knowledge to safely extract valuable materials while disposing of hazardous components. Partnerships between healthcare providers and certified recycling firms ensure that devices are dealt with responsibly, even under pressure. The rise of multi-user wearables reflects the power of innovation, but innovation without responsibility can lead to unintended harm. We must embrace the full life cycle of these tools, from design and deployment to collection and disposal. Only by acknowledging the risks, hygienic, digital, and environmental, can we ensure that these technologies continue to help, not hinder, our health systems. Multi-user wearables have a critical role to play in medical crises, but they must be managed with care, foresight, and responsibility. To learn more about sustainable disposal or to connect with certified e-waste experts, contact EACR Inc. Together, we can protect lives without compromising the planet we all depend on.